everyone, Kimberly Burke, clinical exercise physiologist in the Rebel Fit Club, the training center for people with Parkinson's. We just started our new round of posture school here in the gym, but remember I always have that virtual recorded posture school for people who are not in our local area. And you have daily workouts that you can do to improve your posture, improve your digestion and your breathing, and just standing up straighter to help you with any pain. I'm gonna do an exercise today that I start some of my students in posture school with, and that is the goalpost or the cactus position. And it requires you to be able to activate your upper back, your traps, your lats, and just get those shoulder blades going back, so that improves our thoracic spine mobility and your ability to rotate. Now, you're gonna need a couple props, and I'm gonna show this exercise down on the mat, but if you can't get on the floor, I'm gonna show you a modification, so just hang with me here. What you're gonna be needing is a yoga mat to lay on, but also a yoga mat or a bath towel. Just roll it up, and that is gonna be a prop. Now, don't ever hesitate to use props when you need them. They're used in Pilates and yoga, and what it does is it helps you safely get into difficult positions, and you can always work up to not needing the prop, but don't hesitate, don't think that it's some sort of crutch. Okay, so we're gonna put the yoga mat down, and like I said, you could use bath towels. We use them all the time in posture school. And then I'm also going to use one of the thinner yoga blocks for my forehead, because some of you may need that to get your neck in neutral position. So I'm lining it up this way, and then the yoga block at the top. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come down on the mat with your legs out straight, and I'm placing the block here for my forehead. So when you're laying down, keep the yoga mat a little bit under your hips. That will protect your low back, but you're still gonna need to activate that core. So when you're laying here, first thing you're gonna do is try to bring up your belly and activate that core. Think of a lift of the belly button, it might help. I don't want you to squeeze anything like your glutes. You can activate slightly the glutes, but we don't want to cut our body into sections by squeezing off part of it. It's just a slight humming. Okay, so then your forehead is going to be on the block, and you're going to place your hands out in that goalpost position. And remember I said it's straight out from the shoulder at the elbow and bent 90 degrees. So both arms are like that. You're going to pretend like you have horns facing forward, and you're looking straight down at the ground as opposed to cranking on your neck, because remember, we want a long neck. So you're going to breathe in to prepare, activate that core, bring up the elbows and the hands so that they're level, and then the last position is you can lift from the shoulder blades and lift your collarbones up. Looking straight down, breathe here a couple of times, and then come down. Inhale, activate that core, bring the elbows up and lift, looking straight down. Try to get those shoulder blades together. Don't let the arms or elbows drop. Keep them up high. And then after doing that a few times, then you just can go right back into your child's pose. Now, I promised you I was going to show you this in a seated position. So if you are sitting in a chair, you can still get in that goalpost or cactus position. You're going to breathe in, use your core, and you want to maintain that connection, that rib-hip connection, so that you're not overextending. So you're going to be here, you're thinking long, looking straight ahead, breathe in, exhale, pull back your arms and hold. So you want to think about ironing out the front of the chest and getting those shoulder blades together. And I can show you that just a little bit here. Those shoulder blades are gliding together. You never want to think of pinching your shoulder blades. You want to think of just this really great movement of the shoulder blades floating on the ribs. So that is my quick tip for today. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and go to our website, rebelfitclub.com, where you could fill out a questionnaire. Tell me a little bit about yourself. You can also contact me directly, Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'm happy to get back to you and answer any questions about how our great programs can help you slow down your Parkinson's through neuroplasticity. We always have a learning component with our physical component, and those synergize and wake up the brain and help you slow down your symptoms. If you are interested in our virtual, just please contact me and ask me about our virtual membership. We have 7 days a week of activities, including our signature boxing boot camps, but we also have Tai Chi yoga. Whatever you're looking for, I bet we have it. So contact me, Kimberly Berg at rebelfitclub.com. Always remember to stay hopeful and go forth and conquer.